Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking today about a 2023 LS Tahoe four-wheel drive that we just took in on dealer trade. They got an Equinox, we got an LS Tahoe. I think we won in that one. For the longest time we could not get the large SUVs, and now they're starting to fall out of the sky. I want to talk about two different things here. I want to talk about a couple things that I like with the new body style and the safety features on the Tahoe. We'll start with this one. MSRP's at $57,295. We are honoring GM employee pricing and supplier pricing. Costco members through January 3rd of 2023, you do have a $1,000 rebate on these vehicles. Let's start with I love the grille. Now, I wish I had a black bow tie. I love the grille. I love the air venting system there. It's not quite the correct term. It is a huge step up over the years from what you would have found on an LS back in the day. And then let's talk about, once again, I wish we had black badging, but this is an LS. The safety features. This comes standard on this vehicle. Auto emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the HD rear vision camera. Oh, can you imagine 15 years ago having any of that? Obviously, the camera technology wasn't there. And one last thing I want to talk about. I love the little Chevrolet with the lighting system there. If you have any questions, I'm going to put a link down below, or you can give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.